I hope our students will learn a lot from you. Just for your information, for our MBA first year students, this is the first session. The admission process is still on, and those who have taken got their admission confirmed, they are here in the meeting. Other faculty members are also there, so I welcome everybody over here. To begin the session with, let me tell you that the session is on leveraging the power of Salesforce AI, data and analytics for innovative entrepreneurship in digital age. So dear students, most proud moment for us that our speaker, Mr. Gyaneshwar Aghav, is a part of JSIMR family only. He's our alumni. If he can reach there, anybody can reach anywhere. So he is just an inspiration that how your dedication make you reach to you can touch the sky. Sky is the limit. A brief introduction about both the guests. Mr. Gyaneshwar Aghav, Director of Net Gyani Pune and Face Veda Singapore. With over 15 years of experience in the IT industry, Sir is a distinguished 20x Salesforce certified architect with specialized expertise in CRM, data, AI, integration. Beyond his professional success, Mr. Aghav is deeply passionate about teaching and mentoring. Through his dedicated efforts, he has already guided more than 1,500 students and professionals towards success in the Salesforce ecosystem. As the driving force behind the popular YouTube channels Cloud Gyani and Gyani Aghav, he continues to inspire and educate thousands worldwide. With a bold vision, Sir is on a mission to train and uplift 1 million students and professionals, equipping them with the skills to thrive in the era of Salesforce, data, and artificial intelligence. Talking about Ms. Sarika Nagrale, she is a visionary, founder, and CEO of Lush Naturals. Beginning her career as an IT graduate and software engineer, Ma'am chose to follow her passions for natural wellness, creating a brand that redefines beauty with chemical-free, eco-friendly, and handmade products. What started as a small venture in 2020 has now grown into a successful enterprise at Patancheru, Hyderabad, employing around 25 people and empowering women through meaningful work. With ISO, FDA, and GMP certification as a strong presence on the platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and Meesho, Lush Naturals stands as an inspiring example of how passion, purpose, and perseverance can shape entrepreneurial success. So today's session is all about how to dream as an entrepreneur and how to make it possible. So I request Sir Gyaneshwar Aghav, we are not going to take much of your time and begin the session.
It's my pleasure to present to my fellow colleagues at JSMR and fellow students. I am also the part of JSMI family and I am proud of that. And thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity to Sarika and me to present here in front of aspiring entrepreneurs, aspiring business leaders, aspiring professionals and innovators. So let me start my presentation. Ma'am, should we start with our slides now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So let me first introduce you about who we are, what we do, and then we will move it further. So we are Gyani IT Services Private Limited. We are a Salesforce consulting partner. We are based in Pune, India, and I am also the director of Force Veda PTE Ltd, which is based in Singapore. So mostly we work on Salesforce CRM, data, AI platform to transform businesses worldwide. I would like to have this session very interactive. If you want to ask any questions, anything that you have in your mind, any confusion or anything that you have not understood, feel free to ask me. You can raise your hand or maybe you can put a chat or you can unmute yourself and you can ask a question to me. Okay, I don't like just boring sessions where I'm talking and you are just listening. So I am like the advocate of sharing knowledge and experience through the interaction. So let's begin. So like ma'am introduced, I head NetGyani and Forceveda. Sarika is the CEO and founder of Lush Naturals, and she's also contributing to NetGyani as a business analyst on Salesforce platform. Now, let me start with how exactly we have started. As a mankind, we have started with the innovations. We were moving here and there for food. We were moving here and there for the home, houses, and something that we wanted to eat. So this is kind of human evolution that happened. But if you see the industrial revolution that happened, it was started with steam engines in 70s, and then with the invention of electricity, and then computing in 90s, and then it is in today's we are connected industrial revolution. Like everything is connected to something, like with the internet, with cloud, with mobile, with some applications. If you realize your phone is connected to your car, your phone is connected to your appliances at home, your phone is connected to your bank, your phone is connected to so many of other things. So we are living in the era of connected world. So everything is connected to something by mean of cloud, data, and internet technologies that are available. So this is kind of the industrial revolution that happened from steam engine, electricity, computing to connected world. Not only connected world, but we are living in the artificial intelligence world. So now the technology is changing with the speed like never before. If you see the invention of cloud, then mobile, then social media, then data, and now we are in the era of artificial intelligence. So the kind of technology shift from the steam engines to the artificial intelligence, there is a revolution happened in the industry. Every time there is a revolution happened in the industry, we are realizing the change. We are realizing the opportunities. We are realizing some threats. We want to see this change as an opportunity to grow as a businessman. We want to see this change as an opportunity to grow as a business leader. We want to see this opportunity change as an opportunity to change someone's life. So this is something, if you look at this slide, this is very important to understand that technology is moving at very fast speed. From cloud to mobile to social to data to intelligence. Now we are heading towards general artificial intelligence. So this is about how the technology is moving in terms of cloud, mobile, social, data, as well as intelligence. Now let's see what are the waves of artificial intelligence and how that artificial intelligence is moving to the general intelligence. So I think in 15, 16, 17, it started with predictive intelligence. It was the first wave of artificial intelligence where companies were using artificial intelligence as a technology to predict the business, to predict their sales, to predict their service, to predict the social presence, and to predict the revenue that they wanted to get. It was kind of a decision-making framework. It was built at that time. Mostly, the wave first or wave one was based on predictions. The wave two started, I think, in 17, 18, or 19. It was around generative AI. So you were able to generate text. You were able to generate some images, videos, and all that. Now we are in the era of agentic or automation artificial intelligence. Like if you see Chat GPT, if you see Gemini, if you see Perplexity, and then other AI tools, what the speed that they are growing, it is tremendous. Automation is there in every business. Now we are in the era of artificial intelligence, which is agentic, as well as the fourth wave is going to be general artificial intelligence, where you will be talking to artificial intelligence systems like you're talking to human being. If you know what is the definition of AI, AI stands for computer behaving like human, or computer thinking like a human brain. So we are like building these kind of applications as a human beings. We are innovating these kind of applications where we want to see the change in the artificial intelligence, which is a general artificial intelligence where we are interacting with the artificial intelligence systems like we are interacting with a human being. So this is kind of tremendous change that is happening in the industry, in the revolution of AI, in the revolution of data, in the revolution of cloud and mobile. If you have any questions still now, please feel free to ask me. I would be happy to answer your questions. please let me know in a chat, or maybe you can let me know you can unmute yourself and you can ask any questions that comes in your mind. Okay, now let's move to the next one. If you see the opportunity that we have got, like AI opportunity or AI advantage, customers can see their 84% of customer success. By using AI, you can see the customer success that you can achieve in the business. If you see 64% jobs will be available in AI only. Productivity of the systems, productivity of people will be increased by 30%. We can see the growth of $4.4 trillion and transformation. Every project we talk to the customer, 3 out of 4 projects are based on AI. So if you see the kind of transformation that is required, and that is the kind of speed that companies are changing their strategy by 90% to have AI at place. If you open google.com or if you open youtube.com, you will see so many things happening in AI. Okay, so now every business is changing their strategy for their growth, for productivity, for transformation, for jobs, for customer success, and everywhere we can see AI as an emerging force in the market. Okay, so this is something, the opportunity that we should see and we should predict where we are going and how we can build your career in these latest technologies. As a marketing or as a sales or as a finance or as an MBA graduate, you also should learn these technologies, because this is very important if you want to be in the race, if you want to leverage the power of AI, if you want to leverage the power of cloud, mobile analytics. You definitely need to learn all these technologies and master these technologies in order to be in the AI race. And that is the future of the technology. Now, let me talk about our Indian manifestation. Do you know who has invented zero? Can anyone tell me who has invented zero and where it was invented? You can just put it in chat box, or maybe you can just unmute yourself and let me know the answer of this question. Who has invented zero and when it was invented, or maybe you can just tell me where it was invented. Was it invented in America? Was it invented in Britain? Or was it invented in some other country or India? Can anyone tell me? Let me see the chat. Aryabhatta has invented zero, that is correct, and that was invented in India. So this is like the power of zero, right? If you see any calculation, anything that you want to calculate, it will start from zero. Okay, so if you see that power of zero has manifested, okay, its foundation for incredible talents that we have got, like Shivaji Maharaj, Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar, Narayan Murthy, then Raghurajan, I think Ramanuj, and then Satya Nadella, then we have Sundar Pichai, and then lastly we have Arvind Srinivasan. So these people are kind of manifestation of the power of zero that we have invented. So with the power of zero, it has been foundation that is laid by India for global talent that we have supplied to the globe. Okay, so this is something very important. If you see all the AI technology is growing in US, it is growing in China, it is growing in Europe. If you see, there is no AI system that we have built by ourselves. There is no operating system of India, but this is something that we want to achieve. This is something that we really want to show to the world, that we are also the pioneers of AI. We are also the pioneers of technological advancements. We are also the pioneers of operating systems. So this is something that we want to see in the future. So we want to represent our country by showcasing that we are the people who are contributing to the economies globally. Like Sundar Pichai, we can't imagine google.com if we remove Sundar Pichai. We can't imagine like Microsoft if we remove Satya Nadella from Microsoft, right? So that is how they are doing something that is great. And we as professionals, we as students, we as innovators or entrepreneurs should see how we can have our own systems. Because if you see, because of this Russia-Ukraine war, there are tariffs that are going on India, 50% tariff because we are buying oil from Russia that is enforced by Donald Trump. Now, if we are self-sufficient, if we can have this technology in-house, see the difference that we can see, or see the difference that we can have on the world, right? So this is something that really should happen. Now, most of the movies that you see, right? In most of the movies that you watch, or maybe they have portrayed India as a poor country. Okay, so now we are no longer defined by stereotypes. We are no longer some slumdog millionaires. We are the world champions. We are researchers. We are innovators. We are entrepreneurs. We are designers. So this is the face of India. So we would like to show this face to the world. I would like to share the story that I had personally experienced when I was traveling from Singapore to to India after 2.5 years post COVID. I realized at Mumbai airport when I got down, and there were some fruit vendors. They were selling fruit juices and fruit dishes. Then I have got some fruit juice and fruit dish, and then that person has offered me a QR code to scan, and I was very fascinated to see that India has also managed to get this payment system working for our population. If you see, billions of transactions are happening on phone pay or beam application. So that is a change that we have done, right? That is something that we are the number one payment system in the world. We are processing those many payments. So I was very proud to see that, okay, we are seeing the transformation that is happening in India. Okay, and our phone pay or this Google Pay or maybe our beam application or that UPI is integrated to other countries as well. If you go to Singapore, you can directly pay from your beam application or UPI. Okay, that is how we are also leveraging the power of technology. So I was very fascinated to see that, and we want to see our country like this. We don't want to see our country as a poor country. We want to see the country with a rich heritage. We want to see the country with a reach of technology, with reach of AI, with the reach of innovation. So this is something that we want to do. Now, this is very important slide. If you see 100 million users, OpenAI or ChatGPT. Do you know for mobile phones to reach 100 million users globally, it took 16 years, or it took 5,840 days. If you see Facebook, it took 54 months to reach 200 million users. Instagram took around 28 months. And ChatGPT, which is a product of OpenAI, which took only 2 months to reach 100 million users in the world. So see the rate or see the kind of innovation that is happening in AI. See the adoption of ChatGPT to transform businesses worldwide that is happening. Okay, so I just want to enforce that if you see the speed of number of users that are onboarded on ChatGPT, number of users who are using ChatGPT every day, there are billions of transactions happening on ChatGPT now. Now, if you see the change in the technology, if we see this technology changing at very high speed, and we are not changing with that speed, that is a problem. So if you would really want to be in this technology game, you have to ensure that you are learning this, you are getting master of these tools, you are using these tools for transforming your business. Now, India market, mostly if you see, we don't have any such product that we have launched by ourselves. We are using, or we are enablers of AI. So from enablers of AI, we have to become inventors of AI. So that is something that we should target. We definitely have very good market for enablers, or we are using them, but we should develop as well. So this is a technology shift that we are seeing in the AI revolution that happened. And this is how the kind of user base that has acquired by AI systems in around 2 months. If you see 100 million users, it is a huge number. The change that you want to see in the world. Whatever change that you want to see in the world, you can be that change. Later on, don't blame yourself. Don't blame your boss. Don't blame your teacher. Don't blame your husband, wife, girlfriend that you are not able to make a change. I don't have a time to do that. I have not got the right opportunity to do that. So you have tremendous opportunity right now. So you have tremendous resources online. You have so many things that you can learn free of cost on YouTube. You have so many platforms online where you can learn about this technology and you can grab the opportunity. So I would say, whatever change that you want to see in the world, you need to be that change. Okay. So you can, if you are saying that I don't want to change, that means you are giving away the power of that influence people, or that can influence the technology. Okay. So be the change that you want to see in the world and start from yourself. Start using this technology, start learning this technology, start leveraging them in your business, start leveraging this technology in your day-to-day life. That is very important. Now let's talk about entrepreneurship. How we as entrepreneurs or as a business leaders, we are change makers. Entrepreneurs are change makers. Like we help the economies to grow by innovating technologies, products, and services. For example, if you see technologies like Google Chrome or Gmail, that was innovation, or that was something that was competition to Yahoo.com or Yahoo Mail that happened before Gmail, right? So we help like to innovate based on technology. We provide services and products to the customers. We also provide job opportunities. So by if you're working as an entrepreneur, you will be helping people to work for yourself. You will be giving jobs to other people. If you're working as an employee, then you are working for yourself. You're working one person. But that is how you can change the game, that by providing jobs to many people. You can drive the change to happen, or you can drive that change to replace your rigid, your outdated or insufficient systems with innovation. You also can represent India on a global map. So how many of you know who is the person called Arvind Srinivas? Do you know who is Arvind Srinivas? I just want to hear that from you all. If you know Arvind Srinivas, please put in the chat. Yes, I know Arvind Srinivas. If you don't know, then just don't put anything. But I just want to know how we are upgrading ourselves. If you really want to be in that race, we have to know about these people. We have to know about these technologies. So can anyone tell me, even if you Google it, let me know who is Arvind Srinivas? No one? Okay, let me tell you. Arvind Srinivas is an Indian who has graduated from IIT Madras. He has also graduated from IIT Madras MTech BTech, and he is a student of PhD from University of California. And he is the CEO of Perplexity. So I think Dheeraj, thank you, Dheeraj Deshpande, and congratulations, and thank you for that. So he is the CEO of Perplexity. Perplexity is the company that was founded by Arvind Srinivas. When he went to USA for his studies, he was learning about reinforcement in AI systems, reinforcement systems or AI. At that time, he has got an opportunity to work as an intern in a company called OpenAI, which was founded by Sam Altman. So OpenAI is a company which is a very good company or very good technology to be in or learn about how the AI works. Now, Arvind Srinivasan has started internship there, and he has learned so many things about AI and technology around that. And later on, he left OpenAI once he submitted his internship, and he started his own Perplexity AI, which is one of the, like I would say, fastest growing company in the AI space. And we are proud to say that is founded by Indian. Okay. And that company is also challenging Google search. If you know the news, Arvind Srinivasan has proposed to buy Google Chrome in $34 billion. Okay. So that is how we should think, that we want to grow, or we want to show, or we want to represent our country on a global map by contributing our knowledge and expertise. Now, these are some types of entrepreneurs. If you don't know, just like, there are innovative entrepreneurs who want to innovate something, who want to create new products and services. There are some necessity entrepreneurs, like force entrepreneurs. Like if you lose your job, or maybe if you retire, then you can start entrepreneurship. Or maybe social entrepreneurs. You are working for some cause. You're not working for economical advantage, or you are working like clean water, education. Hustlers, like people who are starting a business with minimum resources and they're scaling that business. Then like we have opportunistic or opportunity entrepreneurs. Then we have replicative entrepreneurs. So you can just Google it, you will get it. I just don't want to spend much time on this slide. Now, if you see, the government of India has categorized small, medium, and micro entrepreneurs or enterprises. So government of India supports MSMEs with multiple schemes. You can just check on their website. There are like micro, small, and medium entrepreneurs based on investment and based on annual turnover that you have for your company. You can register your startup, and you can get so many benefits that are available on the Government of India Startup India program. So these are some advantages that you can see, like you can get startup support, you can get regulatory benefit, you can get tax benefit, you can get market access to the huge market. You also can get networking opportunities if you really want to start your business and you want to grow in the digital age. To become this Startup India program, or to become eligible for Startup India program, you have to be a private limited company, or you can have LLP, or you can have a registered firm. The age of the company has to be 10 years old, or less than 10 years old, and annual revenue should not exceed 100 crore. Okay, you need to focus on innovation, scalability, employment generation for the country, as well as wealth creation. And you also need to get the license or recognition from DPIIT, which is the body of Government of India that will give you the Startup India license. Now, do you know what is Startup India? Then what is like there is another Stand Up India, and there is a Make in India initiative that Government of India has launched, or they have started. Startup India is for startups. Then we have Stand Up India. It is for financing women entrepreneurs, or by facilitating loans and setting up some greenfield projects in India. Again, there is some project that if you want to get more information, you can go to Make in India website, where you can learn about these programs, which is mostly for manufacturing, if you want to manufacture something in India. So these are just like, I wanted to show you some benefits of starting a company or starting a business in India. Also, as an entrepreneur, if you want to start something, or you want to start a business, you want to start a service, you want to start anything, this is some startup journey that you need to follow. Like you should have some great idea that you want to implement. You have to ensure that that idea is a new. It can be existing idea, but it should be competitive. Then you can prototype that, or you can create some prototype. You can create some product market fit that will prove your success. If your idea, you are directly implementing an application, or maybe you are directly starting a business without prototyping, then you may have some consequences of that. So it is recommended or advisable that you should have prototype tested, and that prototype is working, so that you will not lose money and resources on that final product that you will be getting. So once you test once you create a prototype, test it, give the access to some pre-users, or give the access to some pre-learners, then validate your idea. Once it is validated, you can launch your business. And once you launch it, you can use digital technology like AI, cloud, data to scale and grow your business. So this is a typical startup journey, I would say, that can help you to understand how to start with a business and how to scale it and validate it, and ensure that we get more customers, we can serve more clients and all that. So now with this, let me invite Sarika on the stage. She will talk about her startup journey. She will talk about her product, and she will also talk about like what she has learned. She will talk about what you need to learn about as an entrepreneur by her experience. And I welcome Sarika for that. Sarika, please.
Yeah, thank you, Daneshwar. And thank you, everyone from the college team, for giving me this opportunity to speak over here. It is really nice to see all young entrepreneurs, or emerging entrepreneurs, I would say, as you all are participated in MBA program in the college. So it's really good to see all of you. So myself, Sarika, I'm basically from Hyderabad, and we have started our brand in 2020. So as a CEO of Lush Naturals, I have come from the diverse background. Yeah. Am I audible to you? Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You're audible.
Okay. So let me just briefly introduce myself and about my company. As a CEO and founder of Lush Naturals, I have come from the diverse background. Like, I have started my career as a software engineer, and then I have also worked in the media industry, and I have also closely worked in the cosmetic industries. I was in UK for like 6 years, and there I have seen there is a gap of the cosmetic industry which is booming over in India and in UK. There is a difference. I have seen in UK, there are people more conscious about the skincare product, and they are more fond of using natural skincare product. And India, so most of the people are not aware about those products. So I thought I should start something with that. So with that dream, I have started my uh, Lush Naturals brand in 2022. So this is a little bit more awareness to give awareness to people, to bring people closer to nature through safe, handmade, and eco-friendly product. So all the products which we make in Lush Naturals, they are chemical free, they are natural. We don't use chemicals. We have also a GMP USDA certification, which is really hard to get it, and we have got it. Our products are all tasted. There is no animal testing, and we are into sustainable skincare brand. So in the starting, we have just 5 to 6 employees, and that's what we have started. We have developed our product, we have tasted, and then we came in the market. And this is the journey for all the entrepreneurs, I would say, in the manufacturing industries. So what we want you people to get the benefit of or the program which which Daneshwar sir has now given. The person who is really into the business or they have any idea, they can get in touch with the sir, and we will give all the the planning and how you develop your product, how you market this. As back in 2023, sir has introduced me the Salesforce, and we have implemented the Salesforce in our businesses. And I would really say that our businesses has improved a lot, and our sales has increased by 20% more very efficiently. So in Salesforce, we have streamlined our business using automation. We have many tools in automation. We have used AI tools for creating marketing campaign. We have done so many leads generation tracking. We have promotions, we have automated emails. So all we have done and streamline our business using Salesforce. So Salesforce basically is very important part for the business. For as an entrepreneur, I would say this is really important to streamline your business all together in one platform. And earlier we were using so many different fragmented sections to we were using Excel sheet, we were using some other apps to store our data, to do our invoicing, shipments, to track the leads. We have to we have to share the emails, updates about our products. So we are using multiple segment to do these activities in the business. And the Salesforce, which now we are using to streamline everything in one platform. So we don't need to, spend much time, as we have AI at this moment in the Salesforce. It is really helpful for us to predict what is the product, visibility, which product is going on high demand. They will predict each and everything, even the marketing, sales. So we are getting a lot of benefits from the AI tools which Salesforce is providing at this moment. So I would like to tell that definitely our business has improved a lot using Salesforce. So this was the scenario before we were using Salesforce, and now this is what we are, increase a lot of customers also.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, so no matter from where you come, no matter from which background, whether you are coming or working in, cosmetic industry, whether you are working for IT industry, whether you are working for aviation industry or anywhere, you should know what is the CRM and what is this Salesforce. As a Salesforce is a CRM model, I hope everyone is aware about this CRM. I guess as a MBA student, you guys should know what is CRM. So you have to use this CRM for all the industries to streamline all your businesses. So I would definitely suggest you all guys to learn this Salesforce CRM model, which is like there are multiple CRM available in the market, but Salesforce is the number one, as sir has already explained about the Salesforce. And we were also using Salesforce from past 3 years, I would say, and it has really improved my business. So if you are you're learning this Salesforce, you will be definitely going to get benefit out of it, and you will really boost wherever you go, wherever you are going to get your job or wherever you're going to work, or even if you want to start your own business, you will be definitely going to get benefit from this Salesforce. As I have at this age, like it's been 5 years for my company, and now recently, I have certified the administration course of Salesforce. So the I should know what is the basic CRM model we are doing, what is the sales process, how we are tracking leads, everything we are doing with the Salesforce. So no matter where you are and no matter which background you are, even if you are a student, you can help in the industries by learning these AI tools which Salesforce is providing. So this is what I would like to tell. Uh, is there any question or anything related to you, or if anyone is, planning to start their business, or if they have any idea, I am there to help you out from product development to research, to taste and to scale your business. I would definitely support them, and we will be really happy if you have any idea and you are coming up with something and you are passionate to bring that idea and start something new to the ecosystem. So please feel free if you have any question regarding the business related.
Okay, so thank you, Sarika, for a great insight that you have provided about your journey, how you started, about your career, about your professional journey, and about Salesforce. So thank you for that. So Sarika is there with us. Maybe we can later on we can ask some questions. So let me just introduce to you all what exactly Salesforce is. Salesforce is a number one CRM that is available in the market, like Sarika said. It is founded by Mark Benioff in around 1999, and it is the enterprise application that most of the companies use to automate sales, service, marketing, data cloud, agent force, and industry specific applications for multiple industries like media, communications. Then we have education. Then we have public sector or government, and healthcare. So Salesforce helps the customers to create a customer 360-degree view of their customers. So you can future-proof your business with the number one CRM that is available, which is not only the CRM, but it is data and AI platform as well, which is high demand globally. If you look at this, like Microsoft, Oracle, SAP, and Adobe, they are less than 6%, and Salesforce market share is around 21%. Now, if you really want to scale your business, if you really want to get a job in Salesforce, if you really want to work as a market leader, you want to work as a finance leader, if you want to work as any manager in your career, then definitely Salesforce will come across your way. And if you don't know Salesforce, if you don't know the technology, then definitely there is a problem. If you see this IDC report, these are some predictions of IDC that the AI solutions and services will generate around $22.3 trillion by 2030. And it is going to, like AI will spend 2.2x faster than digital technology. Okay, and generative AI, Gen AI market is set to grow by 4.8% every year to 31% by 2026. So these are some reports that are released by IDC, which is International Data Corporation. And if we don't know this technology, if we don't have a knowledge of this technology, then there is a problem. Okay. Now, this is very important slide. Like Salesforce economy, which is powered by AI data, will create 11.6 million jobs by 2028. And if you don't know what is Salesforce, you will not be able to get those jobs. Okay, this is also important. Now, this is again Indian perspective of it. There will be 1.8 million jobs, and it will generate revenue of around $88.6 billion by year 2028 in India itself. Now, 1.8 million means around 18 lakh jobs will be created in Salesforce. Right now, there are only 4 to 5 lakh Salesforce professionals in India, and there is a gap. So we are on the mission to train. We are on the mission to educate students and professionals to learn this technology of future and grab those jobs that are available in the India market or in a global market. So we want to train around 1 million students and professionals on Salesforce, like ma'am said earlier in our introduction. That is something that we are heading to. And in order to achieve that mission, we really want to collaborate with your colleges. We want to collaborate with students. We want to get some internships for college students. We want to also help them to shape their business. I would love to come on board on your startup initiative that we have in the college, and we definitely can have some incubation center at the college and help you to ideate and then do some prototype, test that, and then validate and launch the project that you want to have, that the idea that you have in your mind. Then Salesforce is no code, low code platform. So there is a misconception or there is a misunderstanding that to learn these technologies, to learn AI, to work on AI, we need a coding knowledge. So you can work on AI without a single line of code. You can learn to build applications, deploy applications for your business without writing a single line of code in Salesforce and in any other technologies. Do you know there is a technology or there is a product called Cursor, where you can just give the application the command that I want to build an application for my, let's say, fitness studio, where people will come and go, they will work out. That application should be able to track their attendance. The application should be able to track, let's say, their entries, their leads, their performance, or maybe their measurements or their nutrition. And application also should post their progress on social media. So this kind of command that you need to give, or maybe you need to tell it to the AI model on a chat GPT or maybe on the Cursor. Automatically, Cursor will implement that for you. It will write code for you. It will publish that application, and that application will be working in minutes. So that is the power of these AI tools. So in order to learn AI tools, in order to learn this kind of tools, you don't need any coding experience. That is a misconception that many people have. Now, like Sarika said, Salesforce is a customer 360 platform where we can use Salesforce to sell products, provide customer support, marketing, commerce. Then there is a platform to integrate with other systems. So there are so many applications that Salesforce offers that you can explore on Salesforce website. The recent application that they have launched is Agentforce, which is kind of AI AI offering by Salesforce, which is on the top of Salesforce platform with data cloud in order to streamline the business processes. It is very important to have data secured. So whatever data of CRM that we send to the AI model should be secured. So the Salesforce provided Einstein Copilot, which is Einstein Trust Layer as well, which ensures that your data will not be sent to the AI models. It will be encrypted, and when it will be decrypted at the time when we get it back to CRM. So that is also important because security and trust is paramount for businesses. Like I said, Salesforce can be used from ideation to configuration to testing to deploying to supervise your business. So you can build and deploy AI agents on Salesforce at very scale, and you can build your application on #1 digital platform that is available in Salesforce or in the world of Salesforce or in the world of technology. Again, Salesforce automates, it provides efficient solution for innovation as well as secured solution for your business. Using Agentforce, you can build applications and deploy them fast. Let's talk about Gyani Academy. So we are we have also started another department of company, which is the Gyani Academy, where we have trained more than 1.5 learners on Salesforce platform and AI data platforms. We have provided 100% placement to them. We have 10 experts, we have 10 bootcamps, we have workshops, and we have got 5-star ratings. So this is about our academy. This is just like we have another department in our company which helps students like you or professionals who want to transform their business or who want to transform their career on this latest AI tracks. These are some numbers, like we have trained more than 1500 learners on these technologies. We not only train Salesforce or technology, we also train business skills and project experience to the students, because that is very much important to get the real life experience on the kind of complexity or kind of project that are there in the industry. So we also provide business skills and project experience that is required to shape their career. These are some value propositions of our academy. We do provide mentorship, support, global certification focus. Our programs are mostly job ready. We train Salesforce business skills, industry aligned, hands-on training, as well as it is in collaboration with your IT company, which is Gyani IT Services Private Limited. We have also created one program for MBA students, for engineering students, and for people who wants to learn and have their career in Salesforce, which we call Salesforce Internship program. This is the timeline of that program. If you are interested to do, or if you want to go for that, you can reach out to our hr@netgyani.com, or you can reach out to ma'am or maybe sir. We can guide you to train you on Salesforce as a technology you want to grow. If you have that aspiration to become that kind of leader, or if you have that aspiration to become innovator or maybe entrepreneur who want to scale your business later on. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. I think let's have a question and answer session now. I think if you have any open question, you can ask me. You can also reach out to us. These are our email addresses, hr@netgyani.com. You can go to our website. You can take the screenshot of this. You can connect with us anytime. I would request all of you to follow us on YouTube. I will share the YouTube channel link, which I'm growing, which is Cloud Gyani, like ma'am said. Let me just open that. I'll share this link with all of you. You just follow this channel if you want to get more insight about Salesforce and the technology around Salesforce. So, sir, I think let's open it for the question and answers for students.
Okay,
I
sir.
believe that you have enjoyed this session.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So now, students, it is up to you. You can ask questions if you have any doubt or any confusion about whatever we talked about. If you want to ask anything in your mind, we are here to help you. So
Sir, hi,
let's.
Komal Upadhyay is here. Good afternoon, first of all.
Hi, Komal. Good
I
afternoon.
have learned Salesforce admin and development, and I have a certification about it.
Mhm.
So I want to know what will be the career path for me if I do the business analytics.
Yeah, so that is good. If you have learned administrator and developer certification, if you have, you can definitely work as a business analyst, which is kind of the role of consultant, which knows the Salesforce product, and you can help the developers about the requirements that you have got from the customer, and you can deliver those requirements with the help of development. If you have the passion about coding, you can think of becoming a Salesforce developer. It depends
Yeah.
on like what exactly you want to do. So business analytics
Yeah,
is, if you are doing your MBA in business
yeah.
analytics, that is also great opportunity for you to grow as a professional.
Yes, actually, I have learned all those things, just like JavaScript, Apex, Linux, and multiple of those.
Okay, great. So currently what you're doing, are you working somewhere, or you are just learning about business analyst at JSIMR?
Yes, I'm learning about business analytics. I just had admission and I'll be process for the business analytics.
Okay, great. So if you need any help, if you need anything, you can reach out to us at hr@netgyani.com. I have also flashed my number there. You can take a screenshot of that.
Yes,
Okay.
sure. Thank you.
Any other question, guys, or any other question, students, sir, ma'am? if you want to ask anything about this. So please feel free to ask the question, because this is very good opportunity for you to interact with the industry people, so which you won't get much often. Yes, you are audible, Komal.
No, this is Dr. Pratima.
Hi, ma'am. Sorry. Hi, Pratima.
Yes, sir. I was just eager to ask one thing. This is not about Salesforce. I'm sorry. This is something out of the box. We have heard, I think many of the students might also be having this in their mind. I don't know, but I had this in my mind, so I thought of asking.
Sure.
With the growing usage of AI, we are getting this, that AI is taking away jobs. It is replacing so everybody is using AI in writing poetries or lyrics in the music industry, or writing a script or any software or anything, creating anything. And in the beginning, you said you in one of your slides, you have mentioned the scope of jobs.
Mm-hmm.
So, I am confused. Are we wrong that AI is taking away jobs, or it's like?
Yes. Yeah, it is really, I think, the wrong perception that AI is getting away your job. If you remember in 90s, or if you remember the Y2K problem happened, at that time, with the invention of computers, people were thinking that computers will take away all the jobs, or computer will work on our behalf, and we will not have jobs in the banks. We will not have jobs in many of the offices and all that. So with the disruption or with the innovation that computer brought, there are many opportunities that are created in the market. Okay. Now there are some jobs that definitely will affect, but if you don't scale yourself, if you don't learn that, that is a problem. If you see, there is a news happened that TCS has fired around 1% of their employees recently, and there are other companies also fired. But if you look at the statement, they were saying that these people, we gave the opportunity to learn them, and they have not learned it. Okay. So it is up, you need to be the change that you want to see in your future, right? So that is something Mahatma Gandhi said. If we are not ready to adapt to the environment, if we are not ready to adapt to the systems, then definitely there is some problem, right? So in this kind of competitive age, we have to ensure that we learn these technologies of the future. So definitely there is opportunity. There are some jobs will affect, but it will not go away. Everything will not go away, because you cannot, AI system cannot be as intelligent as human being, because we have emotions. We have so many, I think, good things that we can think. We also can have like interaction. We also can do physical work. Like if you see jobs in physical, like mechanical or civil industry, they won't go anywhere. The jobs which are repetitive, like call center agent, or the jobs which are like support, jobs which are like you said, writer. But see, again, you should know how to take advantages of AI to efficiently do your job. I think that is, I would say. Okay, so don't get scared about AI. Take it as an opportunity than threat.
So basically, this is a lesson for all our students, that you need to keep yourself updating and upgrading. Correct. If you want to succeed in the life, or if you want to survive in this competitive era. Right?
Yes,
Thank
correct.
You so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question? If you have anything, please ask me, guys. This is a great opportunity for you to get real insight or experience from us. And I have deliberately made it short so that I can interact with you all. I can listen from you. If you have any idea that you want to build, you can share that as well. Like you have innovation cell, right? Entrepreneurship innovation cell as well in the college. So we definitely can contribute there as well. So I'm planning to launch one program for innovative entrepreneurs, which is going to be of how to start a startup from scratch and scale it for MBA students. So I'm learning currently. I'm learning that. So there is some work that is happening in background, and definitely we will launch it soon. So which is kind of incubation program that we will offer to the students of MBA or business BBA, or people who wants to start their business. Okay, any question, guys? Please ask me if you have anything, any doubt, or anything that you want to share about your journey as an entrepreneur, or maybe your learning from your experience. That will be great.
Please, all the participants, please put on video on. We have to take the
put on
one clip photo
put
for
on
the
video
IIC
on.
purpose. Pratima ma'am, make it a video on for all.
You can also
Please
change the
unmute
gallery,
and put on your video on.
or change the view to gallery view so that you will see all the videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn on video, guys. Show up yourself.
Please put on. Okay, Dhanasri ma'am, take the. Yes. Pratima ma'am, also you can take the photo. The screenshot. Already we have taken.
Okay, ma'am, share this photo once you have ready with us as well.
Okay, thank you, sir. Agav sir and Sarika ma'am. In a short times, we have arranged this programs for the IIC because the last date was actually 31st August. And in future also, we will invite you for the same topics in our BCA student also, sir, and MBA friends. So
Yeah,
please, Rupali ma'am.
Yeah, sir.
Go
Right,
for
sir.
the vote of thanks.
Right, sir. Good morning, everybody. I, Professor Rupali Bhattacharya, on behalf of JSIMR, would like to give my heartfelt gratitude and, express vote of thanks to Mr. Daneshwar Agav, our esteemed and proud alumni, and Ms. Sarika for the insightful and inspiring session on CRM, data, AI platforms with a special focus on Salesforce as entrepreneur and innovator. Your dedication to spreading awareness about the evolving landscape of digital transformation, especially in how Salesforce empowers business and professionals, is truly commendable. I'm sure our students gonna take this opportunity and benefit in future. Once again, thank you for your time, your wisdom, and the commitment which you are helping us to grow. Wishing you continued success in your efforts to empower the next generation professionals. Thank you, Daneshwar. Thank you, Sarika ma'am, for this wonderful session.